In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can increase mouse pointer on Windows 11. A larger pointer enhances visibility, making it easier for users with visual impairments or those who find small screen elements difficult to see. This adjustment can reduce eye strain and aid in precise control, particularly for users with motor impairments. To do this, simply head to your settings. Navigate onto the accessibility option. On this page, click on the third option of mouse pointer and touch. To increase the size of your pointer, simply drag this to your preferred size. You can also change your mouse pointer style. Tap right here to customize to what you really want. This allows a more comfortable and tailored user interface, contributing to overall ease of use and better interaction with the operating system. That's how easy it is to change the size of your mouse pointer on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.